my name is Lucas. I'm here to answer one guy if I make waves with my body. It's a very good question and maybe more people have this question. Okay, start like this. We cannot make waves, for example, here, right? In our arms, in the middle. We can make in our elbows, in our shoulders, in your legs, hips, and your chest. Okay? Because these parts move. So, basically, we start like this. Okay? One hand. 1, flex. 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is inside. If I try to do outside, shoulders, elbows, and flex. 5, 6, 7, 8. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basically is it. Of course we don't do like a tum, 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 tum. Because we want to do effect wave. So we do not 1, 2, 3. We do like 1, 2, okay? 1, 2, 3. Like wave. Strong and soft. Right? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You can practice like this. You can train like this. Okay? Long time. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Inside the same. From both sides, inside. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How can I do this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You can play, for example, cross from your body. Like 1, 2, 3. Cross. Okay? Your chest. Boom. Boom. And start inside to outside. Right? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Maybe from the start you will do better. For example, I can do this better right to the left or someone left to the right. No matter, everybody like this. For me, it's better make with the right because I'm right. So it's better like this. Maybe someone with the left. So depends on you. You can make with your body too, by your shoulders. Always like this. 1, 2, chest, okay? Chest, belly, hips, and back, hips, belly, chest, shoulders. Right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You want to know the secret? The secret is practice. You need to practice until this movement becomes natural for you. Because, for example, if I teach you something here, it's hard you start to do this very, very nice now. Even for me, professional dancer, sometimes I need to learn some steps and it's very hard. But now I know the process, so I respect the process. How? I train it. So, my idea for you, start like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is wave. 1, 2, 3 is wave. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is wave. 1, 2, 3 is wave. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is wave. 1, 2, 3 is wave. Okay? After, okay, Lucas, I got it really well. What do you do? Don't stop this. Keep going. Keep going and try to be creative. Just put the music and start to do a lot of things. Because you need to understand. You need to understand your body weight. What's natural for you. I can do things like what kind of effect I need to show for you. Okay? Remember, waves is soft, is smooth. Try to do this. I hope this answer is nice for you and you got it. Okay? If you have doubts, if you want to learn something, write in this channel right here in the comments, and as soon as possible I will bring more videos for you. Okay? Big kiss for everybody. Bye bye.